Hey guys, how you doing? I really hope you had a good Easter. Hope you had a good time with your families. Let's get back to work. I asked you on Friday to get some cans that are about the same size. Thursday, sorry. We're going to use these to do a little test on rotational inertia. Now they're all different contents, but they're about the same mass, between 350 and 425 grams, and they're all the same size. They're all 15 fluid ounces. So if you have the same cans, you're in good shape. Otherwise, you have too many variables. My ramp, I just chose a piece of plywood that the kids had for a dollhouse, the grandkids, excuse me. But you could use a leaf of a table. You could use a piece of cardboard. You could actually put a couple of these under the legs of a table, and that would be enough of a tilt to give you what you need. So be ingenious with that. I chose a stick because I had a hard time starting them at the same time. I have my white cheese sauce. I have my chili sauce with no beans. I have my peaches. I think they're half peaches. Oh yeah, half peaches. I have my refried beans. They're cheap. That's okay. But I have the good pork and beans. Tomato sauce with a little bit of ham. Good. And I have whole corn and green beans. Now, you didn't have to have quite that many, but the more you had, the better. Okay? And here's how the procedure looks. I'm going to take the first two, line them up, have the sticks so they're even, and see which one wins. And the chili did. So I'm going to set the fastest one there, take the slowest one, take the next one in line, which happens to be the peaches. And boom, the peaches won. Now, I probably want to see if the peaches are faster than the chili beans. So I'm going to race those, and they are. So my peaches are number one, my beans are my chili beans are number two, and then I go on and do the rest. What I want you to do today is rate your cans from the fastest to the slowest, and then we'll talk about them. But here's what I want you to think about. This has to do with rotational inertia. There's two things that determine the rotational inertia, and I'm going to let you go back in your notes and see what those two things are. Okay? If it has a lesser rotational inertia, it resists a change in rotating less. In other words, it'll be faster down the ramp. So the slowest ones have the greatest amount of rotational inertia. So you guys do your little races, come back which ones are fastest, and then order them down to the slowest. Guys, it's good to see you. I hope things are going well at home. Work hard, guys. This is a strange time, but you need to do your best effort. Your futures do depend on it, so do the best that you can. God bless you guys. Hope to see you soon.